It all started during my first grade. It was back then when I learned to Google, and my first Google search was about cyclones. It was exactly this moment that ignited the spark for my passion about computers. Flash games became my next obsession. I saw myself spending hours and hours playing games like Z and my most favorite one, the Black Knight. These games weren't just for fun, they sparked my curiosity about how interactive experiences are brought on a screen. In grade 4, I started creating stick animations. I used nothing but Paint and Windows Movie Maker to make this. I promise this isn't the best of my works. I had much better ones. But back then, I wasn't aware of backups, and this is what happened next. It was during grade 10 or maybe 9 when I built my first website, and I built it purely using HTML. HTML and CSS were my first computer languages, but I always had this feeling that something was missing. Static pages weren't enough for me, and that's when I discovered Python. No, not this one. I'm talking about the more dangerous Python. I'll never forget typing that first hello world. It was explosive. After learning programming, the possibilities just seemed endless. I kept learning more languages, frameworks, and libraries. And oh boy, I had to do a lot of Git commits. With all the skills that I've learned so far, I was able to pull out my resume from a PDF file and put it into a sleek looking website. This portfolio website has got all of my prominent projects, and most of them have got working prototypes too. Please take a look. I'm someone who doesn't forget his roots. As a way of paying homage to that first website I created, I've self hosted it on a Raspberry Pi, and guess what? It is hosted in the dark web. Apart from writing code, I also write poetry and prose. You may take a look at my blog to explore that side of me.